Today we are revealing a brand new laundry room. What style is it? I don't know. It's our style, I guess. This was a remodel. Before it was just dated, and yes, it's just a laundry room, but you have a lot of time that you spend in a laundry room folding clothes and doing grunt work, and so it's nice to make it feel like a happy place. The first thing you notice when you walk in is the beautiful cabinet color. It's this perfect kind of green, gray mix. And I love that we also did these cubbies. We have a big laundry room, we had lots of cabinetry, and the cubbies are great for styling, folded towels, and also you could fit laundry baskets in there as well. The cabinet color pairs really beautifully with a natural wood tone. So we did this great open shelf with a drying rod underneath, and then that same tone complements the woven shade. It has this beautiful hand-formed brick tile that I am obsessed with. Don't be surprised if you see it in my own home. And we brought it all the way up to the ceiling and on all of the walls for this stunning effect. We paired it with this really great pattern tile on the floor. And if you're going to do something that has this painted pattern look, I love it, but make sure you don't do pattern on the walls, pattern on the floor, pattern on all of the tile. Choose a few areas to shine and then a few others to stay neutral. If you can fit these things in a laundry room, I say do it. A countertop for folding laundry, a sink, and a drying rod or rack for hanging clothes. Make sure you head to our blog to see the full photo tour of this space, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks and video tours of all the beautiful homes we design.